how to book hotel on Trivago. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can actually book a hotel on Trivago, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to book hotel on Trivago, all you have to do is just go ahead and launch the Trivago application first. Then you can simply search for a specific hotel, or you can simply search for a nearby hotel. So if I select nearby hotels over here, it's going to search for some of the best nearby hotels that are actually currently near me. Then I'll just go ahead and select any of the hotels that I would like to use. Then it says with love your feedback or something, so I'll just select maybe later, and then over here I'll be able to see all the prices as well as the baseline of what that hotel looks like. Once I've read all this, I'll just tap on the view deal button over here. Once I select the view deal button over here, it will just take you to the hotels.com website over here, and then once you go to the website, you will be able to simply find that, and then here you'll find the option called sign in or something like that. So I'll just select this hotel over here. Once I select that, I will be able to successfully create a booking by simply sign in or select your room over here. I'll be selecting a couple of rooms in this case, and then I'll be able to go ahead and successfully book it in that way respectively. This is simply how you can go ahead and then actually create or book on Hotel Trivago. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.